back to MSU Bullies and Haven's Homestead. Man, it's such a beautiful, hot-ass day. We checking out the dizogs. I got a couple of grizz apes. We gonna see what they do, man. See what they do. Look at Juju. Enjoying that sun, man. I love you, boy. Juju was born in 2011, the beginning of it. And he is one of a kizon. He's my stud, my foundation. He got my heart. Him and Belly. Belly's from 2011 too. Player. Good year. Who wants some food? Who wants a grape? I got a grape. Here, guys. Come get it. Who wants a grape? Gotta have a grape. Who wants a grape? Move, Jew. What is that thing coming out the top of your head? What the hell is that thing coming out the top of your head? What the heck is going on here? No, Juju, stop. Sit down now. Oh my goodness, you messed it up, Juju. Juju! No! Yeah. Go! Stay, Juju. Here. Your silly head. What the hell, dude? You got some light hair coming out of your top of your head. Looks like me, just a little bit of hair growing. Not much, but a little bit. You gotta stab it, pimp. You gotta stab it before you clack it. Juju! What did I say? Dang, you swallow that shit, ho? Yup, I sure did. Yep. Here, guys. Ow! Come on, guys. Here, Guinea. Here, Guinea. Hey, you want some playing? Come get it. Man, why y'all acting so fishy? Cause Juju, sit down, Juju. Give it to old Plunzel with the weird old hair. Dude, you got some weird hairstyle, girlfriend. I never seen no turkey with some hair like that. That turkey got some weirdness. Let's roll with it. They ain't look. I guess they trying to look like the No, Juju. They trying to look like the guineas with that little knot on their head. I don't know how he got a little feather growing out the tizok. Come on, guys, up. Please like and subscribe. It's Haven's Homestead. Peace.